says she running away.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to properly layer your bed. The different layers that you need to put on your bed so that you can achieve that luxurious retreat look and feel good when you walk into your room, and so that your bed can feel very comfortable at night. The first layer that I have on my bed is a mattress cover, and then the second layer that you're seeing right now is a mattress pad. I got my mattress pad from Walmart and it's a Sorta brand. The second layer that we're going to add to the bed is the fitted sheet. When adding your fitted sheet, you want to ensure that it is snug tight on the mattress. Ensuring that this first layer is nice and tight, it will make the other layers be nice and smooth. Also guys, there is nothing better than when you get fresh sheets out of your dryer to put on your bed and you tidy your room on a Saturday morning. I think it sets the mood for the rest of your day and for the rest of your weekend. So ensure that every Saturday you just do the full clean of your bedroom. Guys, if you have not seen the video with me DIYing my headboard, my whole bed, the front part, the sides, and the headboard part of it, check out the video. It's linked in the description, and you can try to get this done for yourself as well. It was pretty easy, and it was a nice refresh. I call it my spring refresh for my room. Next, we're going to add the flat sheet. Normally, when you buy a sheet set, you get a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and the pillowcases. So this is the flat sheet that we're going to add to the bed. At the top of my flat sheet, I have like two blue stripes. They're like baby bluish type stripes. So I am going to put the sheet on the opposite side, so when I fold it back, because it's not reversible, when I fold the sheet back, the stripes will show. Guys, as you will see, each time I put a layer on, I try to make sure that it is smooth on the bed. If you do not do this, then each layer is going to become either more difficult for you to smooth it out, or it's going to start to look untidy. So I always say, do the prep work. So you want to ensure that your flat sheet is also properly tucked under your mattress. So what you do is you hold the end of it like this, and then all that loose fabric, you push it under the mattress. And after you push that under the mattress, you let the fabric that you're holding fall, it's going to fall into a fold. When it falls into the fold, you take the balance of the fabric and you push it under the mattress. So this is how you properly tuck your flat sheet under your mattress so that it can stay in place even when you're in the bed. You want to try to do this on both sides of your bed, and you want to try to do it with every layer. And that way your bed will be easier to make every morning because you don't have all these different layers that you need to refix. For me, when I do each layer like this in the mornings, I don't have to redo the foot of my bed. I only have to do the top of my bed. Next, we're going to add a light blanket on the bed. As it is spring, night times and morning times are pretty chilly. So we're adding this blanket to the bed. This is a really good blanket. I got it from Tuesday Morning a few years ago, and it keeps my bed very cool, and like it's not like an overheating feeling in the bed. Even in the summertime, I can use this because it gives that cool feeling on the bed. I swear this gets me every time. Every time I have to turn my sheet around because I, turned it the incorrect way. My bed is a king bed, and king is almost square. It's not square, but it's really close to being square. It's about 6 inches difference. So normally when your eyes is not seeing, the long side, especially if the item you're putting on does not have a pattern that goes in a certain direction. Just a quick tip, guys. I also did a video on this. The purpose of using light colored sheets like white sheets on your bed. One, they're easier to clean. Two, they give you that luxurious hotel look. And having the prints and all of that, it depends on the look you're going for. If you want that modern, clean, minimalistic look, then you want to try to use the white sheets on your bed. I always say, hey, you're an adult, use white sheets on the bed, leave the prints for the kids. Some people don't know how to take care of white, so they opt to basically use different color sheets, the darker color sheets on their bed, and that's your preference if you don't think you know how to take care of white sheets. But I would advise anyone to use white sheets on your bed. That's the only color sheets I use on my bed. Again, guys, here you'll see that I am tucking each corner. I am ensuring that each corner is tucked, and that would help to keep my bed made all day, even if I happen to sit on it, which I normally don't. Next, guys, what I am going to do is start to layer my pillows. So as you can see, I have a very high headboard. My headboard is 4 feet in height. So I am going to layer my pillows so that the pillows on my bed, my headboard, sorry, does not make my pillows look dwarfed. So these are the sleeping pillows. What I'm doing is I'm turning the decorative part of the pillow on the inside, so when you're walking up the side of the bed, you don't see that color. Okay? So the way I layer my pillows is I lay my sleeping pillows flat. Then to give my pillows some height, I am going to drop my decorative pillows on top of my sleeping pillows. And as you can see, it gives it a nice height. My headboard is not overpowering my bed. It's not going to overpower my pillows. So if you have a high headboard like I do, layer your pillows like this to give it more height. So I have 2 decorative pillows. The purpose for that is to add some texture and some color to the bed. Next, we're going to add the decorative throw accent pillows to the bed. So my bed is a king bed, as I said. So these are 24 by 24, and I am adding 3 of these to the bed. The last layer of pillows that I'm going to add is I am going to put in my pop of color. So this is my pop of color. It's a velvet and it has a black piping around, rope piping around the pillow. So I'm only going to add 2 of these, and then because I want that clean minimalistic look, I am not going to add a 3rd pillow in front of that, or even a bolster pillow or anything. I think, in my opinion, that that's just too much. It doesn't need that extra layer because you want that clean look. The next layer that I'm going to add, and this is for decorative purposes only, this is a coverlet, and I'm just going to add it to the end of the bed as a throw. So adding all these different layers to your bed, it helps to give it a clean look. Toning down your colors, give you that minimalistic look, that luxurious look. So what you want to try to do is fold this. So that's what I just did. I made sure that the fold was neat. And now I'm turning it over so that you don't see the folds, that, you know, how it is folded, and everything just looks neat and clean across the bed. So after you layer this, then we are finished. So this is the finished look. This is how your bed looks after layering it. And all you want to do right now is to make everything smell awesome. So I am spraying my bed with the room spray. And guys, there's nothing better than when a room smells awesome and the bed is well made. Here is the reveal, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something and you now feel confident enough to go and try to layer your bed yourself. I hope I gave you guys some great tips, especially making sure that you add different textures to your bed so that the bed will look and feel great, even though you don't have loud colors on your bed. Guys, I want to say a big thank you. And I will definitely see you guys on my next upload. Please turn on your post notification bell. Turn it on to all so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Bye and have a blessed weekend.